At the state capitol, a new study released today says the vast majority of Pennsylvania schools regularly expose students to lead in their drinking water. Ireland Viscount is here to break this down. Pretty disturbing, Ireland.
Alicia, PennEnvironment Research and Policy Center says more than 90% of Pennsylvania schools have tested positive for lead in its water.
The medical research is crystal clear. There is no safe level of lead, especially for children.
The PennEnvironment Research and Policy Center released a new study about lead in schools' drinking water.
Our study shows how Pennsylvania school districts regularly put children at risk of becoming exposed to lead.
PennEnvironment collected data from 9 schools across the Commonwealth through right-to-know request. These schools were selected based off of several factors, including size and location.
Our study uncovered shortcomings right here in the Harrisburg School District as well as the York School District.
Mazur says in Harrisburg, the district does test for lead in some of its drinking water, but
did not share the results with the Pennsylvania Department of Education to be publicly posted. This is critical since the lead in drinking water testing results were not published by the Harrisburg School District.
Mazur says the district was also unable to confirm if it was meeting the statewide requirement of 1 working drinking fountain for every 100 people at a school building.
Down the road in York, we found multiple violations of state requirements and best practices,
including not testing for lead in its drinking water each year, which is required by state law, and
testing for lead but not sharing the results with the Department of Education as required under the state law. Too few outlets tested to be able to properly ferret out lead in drinking water, and results not publicly posted by the school district.
Based on these findings, Mazur is calling on the General Assembly to immediately implement a pending bipartisan Senate and House bill,
which would require all Pennsylvania school districts to implement the Filter First program and replace drinking fountains that pose a risk of lead contamination with lead filtering water bottle filling stations and drinking fountains. The legislation also includes funding to help Pennsylvania school districts cover the cost of these much-needed upgrades to protect kids' health.
The Harrisburg School District shared a statement with ABC 27 saying, in part, Act 39 of 2018 encourages but does not require testing for lead in drinking water, but the school does test and report findings. The district also has water fountains in each school, with most being updated in recent years. We also reached out to the York City School District but have not heard back. Valerie?